Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If you want to file a tax or other taxes after deadline, then this video is for you. Actually, this is for the TurboTax guide, how you can extend the tax deadline, or you can pay your tax that has missed by you, that were unable to pay it within the deadline. Now you want to pay it after deadline and you want to know how to do it. So TurboTax can help you. So right now I'm on turbotax.intuit.com. So you have to go to this URL and you can find get started option or sign in option here. So you can find the sign up option here or the get started, both work the same, just like this. Online, do you have a TurboTax? If you don't have, you can simply click on no. Now you have to simply answer for something here, or you can simply click on sign in to sign into your account, just like this. When you click on the sign in at top right corner, it will show you how you can sign into your account. Now from here you can find the search box here. You can simply click on search, and here you can search for a question. So you can type extend, hit enter, and here it is. So here you can find the are my state tax. So this is for the coronavirus, but extend here, and you can find that all the article that can help you. So here you can find filing a business tax extension. You can find how you can you can get extension on taxes. So the deadline, here it is, the 2025 IRS disaster relief tax deadline extension here. So you can search for it and you can read each an article that actually goes with or actually instructing at the same situation that you are currently going, and you can find some notice from the IRS officials. Now you can do is another thing, you can find this here where you can find this article. So you have to simply follow this URL where you can find this article here, or you can simply search for filing late, just like this, file tax after the deadline, and you can find this article and you can read the article and you can follow all the instruction and step here. You can find this step. So the first step is check to see if an extension applies. Then if it is, then file your tax return and pay your taxes. Then step 3, you have to follow is seek a waiver of penalties and interest. So other thing you can do is you can go to the IRS official website. So here you can go to the IRS official website for more details and about the extension, or you can go to the turbotax.institute.com/IRS tax extension. This URL, if you follow this URL, you can find this page where you can simply click on file a return. Simply click on it, and here you can find the extension that you can use. Here you can free federal tax extension is now closed for tax year 2025. So it is right now is closed because so that means you are not able to pay your tax after your deadline. But if it's open or extension is available right now for any reason that IRS has decided or published, so you will be able to file a return or file a tax. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.